The best compressor maximizes the capability and power of nailers. Good thing there are available combo kits that combine their power together. However, take note that not all nailer and air compressor combos have similar levels of value. To help you avoid the inconvenience and disappointment if you're picking up the wrong one, we've searched for the most popular and highest rated products and came up with a list of the top 5 best compressor and nailer combos. Stay with us as we'll assess the individual features and benefits of each. Are you ready? Then let's start. At number 1 on our list is the Porter Portable Electric Air Compressor 3-Tool Combo Kit. This power pack combo delivers exceptional performance, durability, and functionality, making you more productive at work. The main tool is the 6-gallon oil-free Pancake compressor with 150 psi capacity that drives more nails, unlike the traditional 135 psi compressor. Its 2.6 SCFM standard cubic feet per minute and 90 psi make the recovery time quicker. Tested per ISO 1217. It features an innovative shroud that proves to be better protection and portability. It only weighs 30 pounds, so carrying or transporting it is more convenient. It comes with 3 powerful tools to help you complete your work efficiently and quickly. The 2.5-inch finish nailer uses 1 to 2.5-inch 16-gauge finish nails, while the 2-inch brad nailer accepts the standard 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 to 2-inch brads. The heavy-duty 3/8-inch stapler accommodates 1/4 to 9/16 of an inch crown staples for different applications. All of them are equipped with maintenance-free motors, tool-free jam release systems, which makes nail removal easier, and depth of drive adjustments with detents for accurate setting of head nails. Each kit also includes a belt hook, fasteners, 25-foot air hose with plug, and coupler. All compressor components are covered by a 1-year limited warranty. At number 2 is the DeWalt 18-gauge brad nailer and Pancake air compressor combo kit, which is the perfect option for trim, brad, and finish nailing. The 6-gallon 165 max PSI compressor has an oil-free pump that guarantees longevity, maintenance-free, and mess-free performance. The large capacity of the tank and its 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi pump delivers outputs that provide longer runtime as well as quicker recovery times. The heavy-duty motor provides easy startup during extension cord applications or colder weather, while the couplers and regulator enhance their air-cool performance. It also works at a low 75.5 decibels, keeping the work environment noise-free. The 18-gauge brad nailer is powered by the Precision Point technology for a more accurate nail placement. No need for contact trip compression just to actuate the tool. This brad nailer has a tool-free jam release mechanism that effectively removes nails from any surface. The swivel coupler of this nailer offers freedom of movement. It comes with a reinforced air hose that uses PVC rubber blend material that's lightweight, abrasion resistant, non-marring, twist and kink resistance due to low memory, ensuring long years of optimum functionality. This 50-foot hose comes with a factory-installed 1/4-inch fittings. The outlet tube is rerouted to prevent being the catch point, while the removable console cover provides control protection and allows convenient repair. This product is also backed up with a 1-year limited warranty. And there you have our 2 favorite compressor and nailer combos. If you're already familiar with either of them, it would be our pleasure to know your experience or opinions in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon that'll give you a notification when our newest videos come out. Now let's continue. At number 3 is the Rigid Electric Pancake Air Compressor Kit. It includes one compressor unit, a brad nailer, a finish nailer, and a premium hose that guarantee excellent performance for any trim work or finish carpentry projects. Both nailers come with a lifetime free service and parts replacement warranty when you're able to register within 90 days of purchase. The powerful compressor offers 150 psi and 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi that maximizes performance and provides high air delivery. It uses a universal motor that starts up easily in low voltage conditions and oil-free pump. It comes with a dual universal push-to-connect coupler that accepts a 1/4-inch industrial and automotive plugs, which allow multiple users to utilize 2 nailers simultaneously. The 6-gallon tank capacity of this compressor lessens the cycle frequency, while its locking regulators secure the knob to avoid the unwanted change of pressure. Draining the tank can be done with one easy turn of the 1/4-inch turnball valve tank drain. It's backed up with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Paired with the brad nailer that powerfully drives 2 1/8-inch brad nails into solid surfaces like oak, and a straight finish nailer which features dry fire lockout mechanism that extends the motor life and eliminates marring. Both come with a lifetime service agreement that requires user registration within 90 days of purchase. At number 4 is the Ryobi Electric Pancake Air Compressor Kit, which includes an 18-gauge brad nailer, 16-gauge finish nailer, and 25-foot hose. This mighty set has everything you need to finish your carpentry jobs quickly and excellently. Both nailers have toolless depth and drive adjustments that help in the precise positioning of nail heads. They also come with an exhaust port swivel that adjusts the exhaust direction, a nose piece with a marring-resistant pad that protects the surface from tool marks, and an ergonomic handle that features the non-slip rubber grip for better comfort. It also features a 3-step side-loading magazine, which makes nail changing fast and convenient. The compressor, with innovative and stylish design, is packed with a best-in-class components that make a wide range of applications easier. It features a vertical 6-gallon Pancake tank that brings portability and enhanced center of gravity, while its 150 psi output significantly improves its general performance. It does not use oil during operation, which means no maintenance costs or hassle on your part. The folding handle of the compressor can be extended or pushed down for storage. The universal push-to-connect coupler offers a single-hand connection of a 1/4-inch industrial, automotive, or ARO plugs. It produces 80 decibels during operation. It's 1 UL listed and comes with a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty. We hope you're already considering one or two of the products featured on our list. In a short moment, you'll be able to finally click the link to access the great deal that comes when you buy your item. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe button to watch more of our reviews on different products, and click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. And now for our final best compressor nailer combo. At number 5 is the Professional Woodworker Twin Stack Compressor with Brad Nailer. The lightweight and compact design of this durable compressor maximizes portability and ease of use. It delivers 115 maximum PSI output and comes with a high-performing pump that operates quietly at only 0.7 CFM. The fan-cooled drive pump is oil-free and requires no maintenance, saving you the hassle of constant oil changes, which is time-consuming and costly. Monitoring your nailing, stapling, airbrushing, dusting, or other tasks becomes easier because of the readable gauges. This unit has an onboard storage for the nailer and air inflation accessories. The premium 100 PSI brad nailer comes with a side-load magazine that accommodates 100 pieces of nails, giving you the capability to complete multiple tasks at a fraction of the time. It provides a precise setting of 3/8 to 1 1/4 inch brad nails which makes any work surface flawless and neat. The nail gun body is made of durable aluminum alloy with a rubber grip overhead handle that enhances user comfort. It features a 360-degree, easy-to-adjust exhaust deflector and quick-release magazine with sight window, not to mention the single-firing security system. The package also contains couplers, 25-foot recoil air hose, and male plug. This versatile compressor is covered by a 1-year warranty. Well, now it's time for your decision. We hope we were able to help you pick which one is best for you. If you're ready to make that purchase now, just click the link of the product of your choice to get it at a great price. If you'd like to see any other products to be reviewed, leave them in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your request. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get more notifications from us when we upload new product reviews, and join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us on our list of the 5 best compressor nailer combos. We'll see you on our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.